Hi guys, do you know that you can have two WhatsApp accounts on one WhatsApp application? Hold up, I know you're thinking about downloading an extra application to make this possible, but no. On your regular WhatsApp, you can have two phone numbers registered to one WhatsApp and you can use them simultaneously. How you can do that, I'm going to show you now. Let's get right into it. Now scroll to your WhatsApp application. Click on your WhatsApp application. When this opens up, you see your top right, you see these three dots. Click on it, go to your settings, then you go to account. Click on add account, then you see the plus sign there, add account. Click on it to add account. Then it brings up agree and continue. Then you click on agree and continue. Then you input the number you want to add to the profiles on this WhatsApp on this device. Then click on next. Then it says verify. Your number has been securely verified on this device. You now click on continue. It's telling you looking for backups. You can choose to skip, you can choose to restore. Me, I'm going to skip for the purpose of this video, so I'm going to click on skip. Then it says skip restore. Yes. Then skip again, skip restore. Then it brings up this profile picture that I had. Then click on next. Then I can create a passkey if I wish, just like a PIN code to be able to log on to another device if in case I need to remove it from this device. So I'm going to just click on skip for the purpose of this video. So it's saying adding account. Please wait a moment. Please wait. Be patient. I'm going to add your account to this device and this WhatsApp. Now it's been added to this device. Now for you to be able to switch between these two accounts, you just come to your top right corner. You see these three dots. Click on it and you see switch accounts. Click on switch accounts so you can toggle between one account to the other. So if you find this video helpful, please like, share, comment, and follow for more. Thank you.